Welcome to another episode of Pokemon Ruby. So, while you were doing something else, I got a surprise for you. We got a Zigzagoon, and we kind of leveled it. I don't know. So, we have a level 10 Zigzagoon. Okay, so let's go for an adventure. So, go this way. What's up, old man? Okay, so let's go. Okay, so we're just gonna do it right then, right here. Oh god, this place is foggy. Headbutt! Headbutt! Okay, that was cool. Oh, it's in line. Oh, it's in line. Headbutt. Headbutt. Okay, finally we can go. What's up? Okay. So, I guess they're gonna challenge us? Yep. So, it's Team Magmagant. Pajama. I didn't even have a pajama. Okay. Okay, tackle. Dang it! Okay, come on. Headbutt. Yeah. Oh my god. Headbutt once more. Oh, come on. I could have leveled up. Boss told me this would be a slick and easy job to pull. All I had to do was steal some packets from the Diva. You want a bag? Then badly take it. Pico! I'm glad to see you safe. Pico owes her life to you. They call me Mr. Brownie. And you are? I'm not Brown. Oh, so here I am. I sincerely thank you. Now, if there's anything that troubles you, don't hesitate to tell me. You can usually find me in the cottage by the near Colebrook Woods. Come, Pico, we should make our way home. Okay, is there something? Dang it, I need Rock Smash. Ah! Come on, Headbutt. Ah, that does lots of damage. But that's we leveled up. Okay, I'm just gonna heal this dude. I need to buy some potions. Whatever. Yeah. Another of these? Come on, just run away. There's a bug right there. Ah! Yeah, zigzag in. Run away. What's up? Oh, how did it go? The Devon Goose. You did it. You got them back. You really are a great trainer. I know it's my thing. I'll give you another great ball. Thanks. Excuse me, please. Please come with me. Here's the Devon. Devon's third floor. Our president's office is on this floor. Anyway, I can't tell you how much I'm grateful for what you've done. By the way, that parcel you got back for us, could I get you to deliver that to the shipyard in Slateport? It would be awful if those robbers tried to take it again. So, could I count on you to do that for me? Oh, that's right. Could you wait here for a second? Our president would like to have a word with you. Please come with me. Please go ahead. I'm Mr. Steele, president of the Devon Corporation. I just got word about you. You saved our staff not just once, but twice. I have a favor to ask you of an amazing person like you. I understand that you're delivering a package to Slateport shipyard. Along the way, could you stop off in D4 town? Yeah. I was hoping that you'd deliver a letter to Stephen in Duffwood. Oh yeah! Now you should know that I'm a great president, so I'd never be so cheap as to ask you a favor for nothing in return. That's why I want you to have this. A Pokemon? That device is Pokemon Navigator, or Pokénav for short. It's an indispensable tool for any trainer and an adventurer. It has a map of the Hoenn region. You can check the locations of D4 and Slateport easily. Thanks. I have no idea where to get up. Let's go down. What? Okay, I'm finally out. Okay, so let's go. Wait, isn't that May? That's so cool. Let's go. Are you gonna talk to her? Oh, hey, Gail. How's your Pokédex coming along? Mine's looking pretty decent. I got Pokemon and puddle words until I run out of Pokeballs. Okay, so no advice? Let's go. Okay, so I'm right here. So I think we have to go where that old guy said. Like right here. Yeah. What's up? Ah, yes, a Pico. Hold on, Liz. Wait up, Pico. You got out. You saved my darling Pico. We owe you so much for you. What's that? You want to sell with me? You have a letter bound for D4 and a package for Slateport then. Quite the busy life you must lead. But certainly what you're asking is no problem at all. You've come to the right man. We'll all set sail for D4. Yep. D4, here we come. Anchors. Pico, we're setting sail, my darling. That's a small ship. We've hit land in Deptford. I suppose you're off to deliver that letter to... Whose was it now? Stephen? Yep. Oh, come on. Okay, so we're back in track. Okay, so... I guess this is the cave we're going to go? I don't know. Let's go! And another wild Pokemon. That's a fighting type. That's actually cool. You might catch it. Oh yeah, I think that's fighting type. Yeah. Pokeball, go. Dang it! I think that was my last Pokeball. Oh. Come on, this better work. Yeah! Okay, so... That's Pokemon height. Something. Let's see. Pokemon. Summary. Yep, it's a fighting type. That's so cool. We did need a fighting type anyways. Headbutt. Oh my gosh. Headbutt! Okay, so that's it for this video. So, goodbye.